Alright guys, today I have my WPL B-24, which I've gotten really tired of fixing. It breaks down a lot, so what I've decided to do is see, in its stock configuration, can it withstand a scale IED, or basically a car bomb. I have two C6 crackers which I have fused together. Each one of these has 1.4 grams of explosives inside of it, which is the same as a standard mortar shell. So this is a lot of explosives. I'm going to put it inside the car. I have a false floor. Now the car looks all burnt out. It's got bullet holes in it. It's just standard wrecked up Nova sitting on the side of the road. I'm going to drive the truck up on it, and then we're going to detonate it and see how much of it survives. Stay tuned. Alright guys, here's some of the end resulting carnage with the shop light on. The cab of the truck is pretty worse for wear, the roof is loose, the interior was blasted up into basically the roof. The steering wheel is missing, the grill was blown clear, and one of the headlights is missing. It broke the spindle for the wheel off of the knuckle. I have another knuckle, so that'll be fixed in like 5 minutes. It still drives, so it will live again. This is the remains of the blast car. You can see a couple of the fake bullet holes I put in it, but not really a lot of recognizable stuff other than like the hood and some of the leftovers from the twin C6s that vaporized this hunk of crap. So yeah. The B-24 was a lot tougher than I thought. I thought I'd be dealing with, a pair of frame rails afterwards. So, if anything, I'd say pick it up just for the body and the frame rails and just change out the plastic differentials and the drive shafts, and you've got a pretty respectable little truck here. So, that's it for now, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the blast, and I'll see you guys next time.